Hey, Talon. Talon. Hey, Tal. Hi. What are you laughing at, buddy? What's over there that you're laughing at? Someone's happy. Little does he know he's going down for a nap in a little bit. Talon. Hi. Hi. Is that how you say hi? Hey, bouncies. Did you have so much fun with your food tonight? Huh? Did you have so much food? Let's check out your hair. Oh, that's beautiful, bud. Hi. Where's the puff? Where did it go? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Is it up here? You are out of it, boy. Just hanging out with Talon in the morning, watching him play. Chatting away. That's a good boy.